In this video, I'll show you how I grow my oak trees for free. First, you need to collect a bunch of acorns. I just scooped up a bunch off the ground. It'd probably be better to pick all these bad ones out, so you're not trying to grow bad acorns. And if there's anything with the tops on them, like this little guy, you want to get the top off the nut. Most of these have already fallen off. And then you go to the next step. So after you pick through all the acorns, you get all of them you think are good, all you need to do, I'll take it over here, you just put them in a bowl of water. All of them that sink are good, all of them that float are bad. That's why you got to take the caps off. They'll have an air pocket. So all of these floaters we can throw away. And then all of them on the bottom we'll plant. And after you take all the acorns out of the water, you can either put them in a Ziploc bag or put them in a bowl like this. Put a lid on it, close it up. You could put it in the bottom of your fridge, the bottom drawer. Or you can put them in dirt and put them outside, and then come spring, they should all start sprouting. Today I'm going to put them in planters and put them outside. So here I got my little planters. I'm going to steal the dirt from my raised bed planters I made. And if I need more dirt, I have this compost pile. I throw all the leaves and grass clippings, but I need to rotate this side. There's a bunch of good black dirt in the bottom. So I guess I'll fill all these planters and get them all ready. In the bottom of my planters I cut up some newspaper, put in the bottom. It helps hold the dirt from all these little holes. And it kind of prevents the roots from popping through. I just get my dirt. Scoop. It's kind of half compost, half sand, half whatever's laying around, sawdust. I'll put it with all these. I'm kind of putting it in my lettuce patch. It's another raised bed planter connected to a swing set, connected to a tiny house. So I'll make probably half of this oak trees. And now all I do is grab an acorn, put it in the dirt. About an inch or so. And then most of these should come up in the spring. So I'll fill these. And I got 6 more over here. And I also built some of these. Just a PVC drain pipe. I drilled holes on the end, put some wire through it with the window screen. So when you put the tree in it, the roots can grow long. So it doesn't use as much dirt. So I'll try these out too. Now I got all the long planters filled. Do the same deal. Get an acorn. Kind of put it in sideways. Cover it up. Acorn. Turn it sideways until they're all filled. these long planters, I take the wires out of the bottom, and I can pop the screen off, and then I can just use the post hole digger to dig a hole, and then just slide the tree right out of the tube. And the rest of the acorns I just threw inside the bucket. It used to be a planter. There's not much dirt in it. So I'll take some dirt over here, bury them, and I'll see how many of these pop up. So I guess in about 6 months I'll have a follow-up video. Come spring, we'll see how many of these actually grew.